So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to share your LinkedIn profile on WhatsApp. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the both WhatsApp and LinkedIn app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So at first, open your LinkedIn account, and this is the home page of your account. And to share a profile, you should have to tap on your profile picture, which is available on the top left corner of your screen. So tap on it. Then tap on your profile picture, which is also available on the top left corner of your screen. Now you will just see the option of 3 dot on the bottom of your screen, so tap on it. Then you can see the option of share profile via and dot, so tap on it. Then tap on WhatsApp and see, I am sending this to myself, so I am tapping here. Then tap on green arrow, which is available on the lower corner of right side, and see, I have successfully shared my LinkedIn profile. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.